Loosen mo, di ba? Tapos yung hook na walang screw, ilagay mo sa likod ng fabric. Take mo yung hook na may screw, tapos ipilit mo dun sa hook na nasa likod. Screw lang natin siya para sumikip. Tapos kapag masikip na, i-tighten mo ulit yung screw. It's very important that the fabric is taut kasi this will set the tone for the convenience and comfort of your stitching. At na yung fabric mo, let's take your pattern. Tada! Let's take your pattern. And then, so, baliktad natin ngayon yung yung hoop. 'Di ba nakaganyan, 'di ba harap. Baliktad natin siya. Magdikit yung hoop tsaka yung yung pattern. So if your pattern is big, for example, masyadong malaki yung pattern mo, 'di ba? Ang gagawin mo lang is i-adjust mo lang yung circle. Once you are already satisfied with that, get your embroidery pen and start tracing. The embroidery pen that's included in the kit is water-soluble. So you just have to spray a little bit of water and it will go away. You can also use a friction pen. So, tapos ka na mag-draw, let's start stitching. Get 5 needles. This is what I do para mapadali ang aking buhay. What I do is just get 5 and then all of your threads. Get about 48 inches or 2 rulers lengths of thread. And then we will thread our needles. So first take your, I think this is 904 or any color you want. I will be using the 904. I will start with the back stitch. Backstitch. You just have 4 imaginary dots and with the same length. A, B, C, and D. So dapat pareho sila ng length, pareho sila ng distance. Start with letter A. Okay. From A, go out, go to the back through B. And then go in, back up through letter C. That's why it's called back stitch, because you go back to letter B. Do they have to be of same distance? I personally would say yes, because embroidery or any design is all about proportion. So how do I secure it with the knot? I just basically tie a knot at the back, like how you do with other stitches. I'm gonna start here again. Next that I will teach you is the satin stitch. So the satin stitch we'll use for the leaves. So take your 904. Oh, no. 904 pa rin. The darker green. So, your leaves, they have 2 parang, ano matawag sa math nun? Basta palang 2 points na the farthest from each other. Up, either end, that's fine. and then go to the other side. So what would happen is, if this is your leaf, what would happen is, para lang siyang fan. Go to actually French knots. These small dots. Pick any of the dots that you have in your fabric, in your design. So take your needle and place it near the fabric. Then with your left hand, make 2 loops or wrap around the needle. So 1, 2. Dalawa lang, 2. Dalawa lang muna. And then, keep the tension with this hand, with the left hand. Keep the tension. Put the needle back to the hole where it came. And then gently pull. That's a French knot. Okay, so it looks like these. Those are French knots. Okay, let's do it again. Let's go to the lazy daisies. So from there, oops, sorry. Okay, there. So where you came in, that's also where you go back down. Do not pull all the way through. This is a very important step. So just let the loop stay there. And then on the other side, you come back up. And then put the loop over the needle. Gently pull. Oops. Gently pull. Once you have that in there, on the other side of the thread, it's where you'll come back down. It's very important you follow that step, because if you're gonna go back to the other side, you're not gonna be able to anchor this leaf. Go na to our woven wheel. So, you have 5 lines, di ba? Parang pizza. So, choose any of the sides or the lines that divide the pizza. Start from the outer and go to the center. You have 5 lines na pala, di ba? You have 5 lines. Tie a knot. With your thread, I want you to pull the anchor thread so that it's equal to the other side. So you're gonna have like 2 equal sides of thread. And tie a knot at the end of the thread so that it's secure. Very near the center, that's where you will begin to stitch. There. So first is you go over this line and then to the next under. So you only have over under. We're just gonna repeat this. So over under. Also very important with woven wheel, huwag mo siyang mamadaliin. Reach a point na maiksi na yung thread mo. So what you'll do is just on the next over, that's where you will exit. Exit ka doon. Tapos dyan ka lang din magpo-continue. For For this, I will not use the hoop. And then I'll tie a knot at the end like a ribbon. So, di ba dito ako nag-stop? Then din ako babalik. By the way, I suggest pala or highly recommend when you're going through the lines, do not use your sharp end because this will gather or this would collect thread from the fabric. So I'll just cover this last one here and then I'm done. Make sure that I don't pull it all the way or pull too hard because I might discover the flower. I might destroy the flower. There. So I'll just complete the two, and then I'll already tell you how to install your clock. For a quick fix, is I take a needle and I just like fluff it. It's like I distribute the threads, the weaved threads. Just place this pattern here para lang may guide ako where ako maglalagay ng hole. So, what I'm gonna do now is, since meron akong marking dyan, I'm gonna unscrew the hoop. There. Unscrew the hoop, and then interchange lang the inner and the outer hoop. Then, again, you set your fabric again with the design. So there's the clock mechanism. Let's open another one. You disassemble your clock. Okay, so this is your body of the clock. Take that, and this is the shaft. This is the shaft of the clock. Force it in. So I just went through like that. And then take your washer. This is the washer. This is the hex nut. Washer first. Then your hex nut, and then screw. So you have your hour hand, your minutes hand, and your seconds hand. So hours muna. Start with the hour hand, and then push it in. You're gonna hear a click there. And then your minute hand, and then your seconds hand. So what you'll do is you cut the sides with your scissors. Mag-leave ka ng mga 1 inch or half an inch, mga half an inch. Now, if you have a glue gun, this is just very easy na. You can just glue gun, or you could like glue the sides na lang. If you don't, then you're gonna get like a thread. Get a thread, and then start here at the very top, and just stitch. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pull so that it gets tight. You just have to pull it. Good. you can finish it because these stitches are the same with the ones above.